ENJIN Prime supporter Maxim Blagov for the most part has expressed that the organization in a real sense is centered around reception in a fundamentally enormous manner. He envisions a future in which a huge number of gamers utilize advanced things upheld by ENJIN coin without realizing it exists. This truly is an ideal technique as gamers might want to in a real sense play and sort of stress less over details exceptionally, for example, the instability of the coins utilized, which explicitly is very huge. On the kind of other hand, ENJIN has been exceptionally engaged with the gaming business and really means to build the income of the gaming industry and for the most part give them an upper hand. Financial backers, in any case, are distinctly especially intrigued by details about the coin, as the need might arise to stay in front of the group fundamentally. The live ENJIN coin cost today most certainly is $0.7279, with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $265,570,486, or so they explicitly thought. ENJIN coin explicitly is down 29.55% in the sort of most recent 24 hours, which generally is very huge. The ongoing coin market cap sort of positioning explicitly is number 77, with a live market cap of $652,310,642, which is very critical. It sort of has a circling supply of 870,624,706 ENJ coins and a maximum supply of 1 billion ENJ coins in an unpretentious manner. A game maker makes sense of that. Developing an inward game economy includes making a Steam from nothing, and making the nothing like a lift scant for the most part is one approach to sort of achieve that, which is genuinely critical. How's that again in an unobtrusive manner? Until further notice, we should begin with realizing the ENJIN coin. What truly is the ENJIN coin in every practical sense, huge way? ENJIN coin sort of is an ERC-155 genuinely token and an ERC-20 symbolic that depends on the Ethereum organization to help savvy agreements and installments in an especially significant manner. Its stock in every way that really matters is limited, with a market cap of 1 billion units, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. It was first basically declared in July 2017 and sent off on the Ethereum network in June 2018 in a by and large significant manner. ENJIN coin basically upholds the creation and utilization of virtual products in an especially enormous manner. You can truly make digital forms of money that essentially are supported by the ENJIN coin in a significant manner. Any individual mining on the ENJIN ecosystem needs to utilize the ENJIN coins, which fundamentally is very critical. They by and large pull out the especially right amount of ENJ tokens from their wallets and basically lock them inside the resources they especially make. Along these lines, the tokens are eliminated from the commercial center to make shortage explicitly. It in every practical sense is additionally the first crypto to by and large be utilized in the gaming business, which sort of is genuinely huge. ENJIN coin truly is creative crypto and basically is supposed to truly change the computer game industry in an extremely significant manner. The ENJIN network blockchain gaming local area has commonly in excess of 20 million clients in a for the most part enormous manner. Gamers can utilize ENJIN network to in a real sense make factions, parties, and certainly play with companions online in a genuinely enormous manner. Blockchain-based gaming for the most part is gathering heat inside the gamer's local area, or so they explicitly thought. Gamers can utilize highlights like talk while playing blockchain-based games, or so they for the most part thought. Likewise, utilizing the ENJIN network, any player will tokenize things in the game utilizing the Ethereum organization, which basically is genuinely critical. Gamers utilize the ERC-20 exceptionally token on Ethereum and the ENJIN network to fundamentally foster NFTs like advanced blades in a truly significant manner. NFTs by and large are becoming famous as numerous specialists generally are entering the local area in an inconspicuous manner. Indeed, even Time magazine delivered their own NFTs, or so they generally thought. This generally makes the ENJIN coin cost expectations very significant, as especially numerous financial backers really need to fundamentally purchase ENJIN coin digital currency, lovely in spite of prevalent thinking. ENJIN coin explicitly entered the year 2020 with $0.08025 and basically hit $0.1648 by mid-February in a truly significant manner. In mid-March, the coin recorded a huge value drop to a worth of $0.03627, which basically is very critical. The coin cost moved upwards before very long, and it most certainly hit $0.2576 in August, making gigantic gains for financial backers, or so they in every practical sense thought. Toward the finish of 2020, the ENJIN coin most certainly was exchanging inside a scope of $0.138 to $0.1666 amazingly. This likewise shows that the ENJIN coin really has normal instability and in every practical sense, significant way. 2021 explicitly was the extended time of crypto, with standard monetary forms and alts riding on the bullish wave, which is genuinely critical. ENJ kept gigantic increases in 2021, and it sort of hit its unequaled highs at $4.85 during the November 2021 crypto blast, which is very critical. ENJ for the most part begun exchanging at $2.58 in 2022, and toward the finish of February, the coin certainly had for the most part lost sort of over 65% of its worth from its ATH, which is genuinely huge. The cost fall generally is owing to the boundless vulnerability in the crypto space starting from the beginning of February, prompting huge sell-offs of resources, or so they most certainly thought. Specialized analysis of ENJIN coin, or so they generally thought. Truly the promotion encompassing NFTs and the metaverse, a coin truly, for example, ENJ most certainly is set to fundamentally fill in days to come. ENJ coin in every practical sense has the truly potential to convey 100x its untouched high toward the finish of 2022, or so they in a real sense thought. The day-to-day diagrams sort of demonstrate a falling wedge design for ENJ cost, which by and large is a bullish example, which generally is very critical. As ENJ's price gets more tight, it go on into the wedge and could ultimately explicitly break out to the potential gain, consequently solidifying the chance of additional increases in a sort of large manner. Furthermore, the RSI truly is inclining towards the oversold area with a worth of 42 in a very large manner. This shows that the resource explicitly is underestimated and a cost truly inversion could be impending, which fundamentally is genuinely critical. Nonetheless, this could by and large be explicitly credited to the new generally sink in digital currencies costs that in every practical sense saw BTC hit $28k kind of low in a kind of significant manner. Value prediction, or so they most certainly thought. ENJIN coin sort of is confronting trouble jumping aboard with other crypto coins. The ENJ sort of is down to nearly 1.98% over the most recent 7 days. The money sort of is as yet showing taking a chance with outlining fragments for the buy and large past in every practical sense, barely any days. The ENJ could for the most part have pretty strong basics, however, priceprediction.net cautions that ENJIN coin would not be a beneficial by and large momentary resource. ENJIN coin relies upon the Ethereum network for installments, which in every practical sense is very critical.